everyone. So I'm going to use a hodgepodge mix of a new recipe I'm doing. So I've got this ARTEZA pouring medium, which I used in the last video, and boy did they dry shiny. I mean, look even at that was the stick I used. It is water resistant after dry. So that could be due to the shininess, and I really want to know what is in pouring medium. All I know is that there's SLS and not to swallow it, which is not helpful whatsoever. So I did half pouring, half Floetrol, and then the little top half water, but only the red, or the cochineal red and the Indian yellow have that recipe. The rest are straight ARTEZA pouring medium. So this one's still sitting here. I love this one. See, this is why I keep trying the new stuff, is because this ARTEZA pouring acrylic, the colors don't really blend, which sometimes you want, but sometimes you don't. And I want to see if I can manage to accomplish that. Whoa, a little too big. So I've got my circle here, which I do have for sale in my Etsy store. And let's see. I think I'm going to do airbrush. You can tell off the bat how much thicker it is than my regular. And it's so rubbery. Like I've got, now that I've been pouring, using pouring medium and stuff, these are, like I can't peel it off anymore. They've got some kind of permanent rubbery, hard paint coating now. Alrighty, so we used up all of this. I just need to get it down here at the bottom. And I usually tend to resin my rounds anyways, so if these dry glossy, it's, well, when they dry glossy, because they will, it's not as big a deal because I will most likely go over them in resin. Just because I like the way resin looks on MDF. I think it gives it a more finished look. You can see it's not sinking in, so it's thick. Got rose. And Indian yellow. Whoa! She went to town on the Indian yellow. And I may add a darker color once I see how this looks. So I'm getting a tiny bit of webbing, but not like I usually do. I want to get all this inside blown out. I don't really want an inside, I don't think. So I did end up getting some cells. It's hard to know if that was just from the airbrush or due to the two colors that I added the water to. I'm actually going to blow these this way. Little tendrils, kind of like it's taking off on one side. That's pretty. I'm not adding a darker color. So that torching caused lots of stuff to happen. So I'm assuming that is due to these two that have the Floetrol in the water along with the pouring medium. Because the ones with pouring medium alone, last night when I torched them, nothing happened. Not a thing happened. So I definitely feel water and Floetrol are activators. I mean, that's all I've been using up until this last week or so. So, yeah, I'm happy with this though. I was really surprised at all of that action in that corner. I guess it's in the corner if it's a circle, is it? That's just that area, I suppose. Yeah, you could probably see it happening. And it's still happening. So there it is as an entirety. Thank you so much for watching. Excuse me. I would love it if you hit subscribe and then ding the bell so that when I put up a new video, you will get alerted to it. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye. Hey everyone, I want to update you on this. For starters, when I let it dry, it was tilted, so it all tilted off. But my problem is, and this is what was mixed with the paint, what the heck is pouring medium and why is it rubbery and peeling off? I may sound a little irritated, and it's because I am. I have never liked pouring medium, but the ARTEZAs, which I loved, got me to want to buy some and try it, and this is what I get. Kind of a rubbery mess that does not want to adhere. It's like weird. What is this? Please help me. Bye.